On the way here, roads weren't too busy. A lot of traffic going down towards Durban. But what a place to be. Peaceful, quiet. Couple of caravans here, one or two camper vans. But peaceful and quiet. Good morning, Thursday morning. Slight drizzle still. Russell and Cindy is up. But peaceful and quiet. You can only hear the river and a couple of birds. No idea what the weather's going to do today. Let's see what happens. Last time this year, this was all underwater. So I don't know if they had more rain last year or if the pipes that they've put there by the end of the dam for draining is just a little bit bigger. Just before lunch, the sun popped out. Not for very long. And now it's all getting misty again and fine drizzle. Quite a few more people that have arrived. Good morning, Friday morning. Still a fine drizzle. And I hope it's going to clear a bit today. I had an unfortunate thing coming here. The brake light came on. And I saw the brake fluid was low, so I filled up with brake fluid. 2 seconds later, the light came on again, and then realized there's a leak in the pipe underneath the van by the diff. So the brake fluid is just squirting out. So hopefully the weather will improve a little bit so I can tackle that and fix that. And then also this morning when I woke up to make tea, when I opened the fridge, I realized it is not working. So sometime yesterday afternoon, it stopped working. So now I'm quickly cooking the chicken that I had in the fridge. And then I'll have to see by Cindy and Russell. Hopefully they've got some spot in their fridge to put my rest of the stuff that's in my fridge. Another thing that packed up, my mood lights. Only G, B, no red. But happy this is all happening now before I tackle my long trip to the Eastern Cape early next year. Friday afternoon, quite a few more people arrived today. And we've had a bit of sunshine and the weather's a lot better today than yesterday. Definitely a lot warmer.